Did you accidentally close a Discord DM and can't find it? Here's how to restore any closed conversation in seconds. So you're scrolling through your Discord, you click away by accident, and poof, that conversation you were just having disappears from your list. Maybe it was a business contact. Maybe it was a friend with important info. Either way, it feels like it's gone forever. But I promise you, it's not. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get it back. We'll cover two main methods, searching by username and using the friend list. Both work on desktop and mobile. And because I've tested this across multiple accounts and setups, I can confidently say these techniques will save you every single time. Let's start with the fastest method, the one you want to use if you remember even part of the person's username. Look up at the very top of your Discord window. See that search bar that says Find or Start a Conversation? Click right there. Now type in the username of the person you were chatting with. As you type, Discord will start showing matching results. Just click on their name from that list, and boom, the entire conversation thread pops right open with all your past messages loaded and ready to go. But what if you don't remember their username? No problem at all. Let's try method 2. Over on the left side of Discord, you'll see the Friends tab. Click that. This opens up your full friend list, which is basically a directory of everyone you've ever added. Now, if you have a lot of friends, you can scroll through manually, or use the search bar within this list to find the person's name. Once you spot them, click on their username to open their profile. Then just click the message button. It looks like a little chat bubble, and your DM conversation will reappear instantly. History intact. Now, here's something a lot of people don't realize. If you scroll all the way down your direct message list on the left sidebar, sometimes those conversations aren't actually gone. They've just moved way down because you haven't talked to that person recently. So try this. Grab the scroll bar on your DM list and drag it all the way to the bottom. Scroll through all the old group chats and single conversations. You might find your missing DM hiding further down than you expected. Just click on it and it pops right back to the top. So there you have it. Whether you remember the username, have them on your friends list, or just need to dig through your old conversations, you've got all the tools you need to bring back any closed DM. No more losing track of important messages. Go ahead and give it a try right now. It takes about 10 seconds, and you'll be surprised how easy it is once you know where to look.